TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes to go until the start of the trading week. And we got markets in positive territory to kick things off. Right now, you look at an S&P positive by 21 points, trading at 3360. Got the NASDAQ up 82 points, trading at 11,315 right now. You get the Dow up 206 points, trading at 27,770. Russell positive by more than 1% as well, up 18 points at 1552. Jumping to commodities, crude catching a little bit of a bid after quite a sell-off Thursday and Friday. Crude Thursday and Friday trades from $40.50 down almost $4 to $36.63. Early in the day on Friday, we've now traded about $2 above that level at $38.48 in the price of crude. Gold catching a bid in the last, we'll call it really the lows at about 3 a.m. overnight. We were down at $18.90. You're up $4 on the session, but you're up $22 from where we were at about 3 a.m. Eastern Time, $19.12 in gold. Silver up 11 cents at $24.14. And we'll jump to notes and bonds, a little bit of lower price and higher yield. The 10-year right back to where we were, the lows of Thursday. The 10-year coming down about 8 ticks at 139.06. You get the 30-year down a full point and 1 tick at 174.28. Jumping back to the S&Ps, it's like none of this ever happened, folks. There is where we were, 1 a.m. Eastern Time. The president tweets out that he and the first lady have COVID. We are right back to the point, 33.62. We were trading at about 33.62, right in that bar. We opened the bar at 12:45 a.m. Eastern Time at about 33.6175, within literally a quarter of a point from where the S&Ps are trading at right now. You see the open last night. Right away, we opened higher, and we've just been bouncing about a 10-point range in the S&P, 33.55 to 33.65. All the speculation today, it'll be whether President Trump potentially is released. You already had out there Meadows, Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, saying the president ready to return to schedule. They'll get an update later today in terms of when he might be released, but all signs point to things progressing in a positive manner. The drive-by this weekend in terms of leaving the hospital, putting people at risk, that's a different story. I'm not sure why that was necessary in terms of this deadly virus. The people in the car that are put at risk, moving these patients. It's not usually what happens, but it's not a very usual occurrence of what we have going on. S&P's up 23 points. We got a half hour to go until the opening bell. Coming up next, Larry Pesavento with Trade What You See. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Fast Market by TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim at 11. Of course, Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all this afternoon. Stay tuned, folks. Larry, he's coming up next. We'll be right back.